Determinants of temperature. The average temperature of the earth as a whole is about 14 degrees Celsius. But there are many areas which are very hot and many areas which are very cold. This is the average picture. We were talking about Verkhoyansk minus 50 degrees Celsius, Azizia 58 degrees Celsius in the daytime. So if we take the average picture, the average temperature of the Earth's surface is about 14 degrees Celsius, and the experts are saying it is increasing because of addition of more carbon dioxide gas or human effect. But the factors which decide the distribution of temperature, 2-3 points I explained you yesterday. Number one is latitude. Any area which is closer to the equator, the sun's rays are vertical. The insolation is more. Consequently, in the tropical region, more heat is recorded, more temperature is recorded. Opposite to this, any place away from the equator records relatively less temperature. Polar areas are very cold. Arctic Ocean, frozen. The temperature is minus. Even in the summer season, the temperature is around 0 or minus. So, on your own geographical knowledge, you can write 2-3 sentences without. The tropical zone receives more insolation, more heat. That's why higher temperature are recorded in lower latitude or along the equator or in the neighboring areas. Polar areas are the areas of frigid zone where the temperature is low. You yourself manage, don't go by the NCERT book or by any bulky book you are consulting. Because if there is a question, at the most it will be 20 marks. And there are several points to be discussed. So, make simple 2-3 sentences. This I explained in some more detail and gave you the example that Singapore, which is on equator, is recording more temperature. Delhi, which is away from it, is recording relatively less temperature, average temperature. The second determinant is altitude. Altitude means height above the sea level. What is the difference between height and altitude? These are two different concepts. We never say that Everest is 8.8 kilometer. We say it is the altitude. We never use the word height. The height of the Mount Everest is 8.8 kilometer. We say the altitude of the Mount Everest is 8.8 kilometer. It means it is 8.8 kilometer from a point of reference, Chennai. Chennai is the sea level or the base level for India. Mount Everest is 8.8 kilometer from Chennai. This is. But height of this building, that is point of reference may be this road. We say this building is about 60 feet in height. This height is not from sea level. This height is from the road. So this is the basic difference between. In general, lower the altitude, more is the temperature. Higher the altitude, less is the temperature. This general principle you can address in this point. Any place which is closer to the sea, the temperature will be more. On the same latitude, any place which is having much higher altitude will be colder. Because there is a decrease in the temperature we have seen in previous lecture known as lapse rate. The lapse rate is 6.4 degrees Celsius. As you go up into the atmosphere, the temperature decreases. Normally at the rate of 6.4 degrees Celsius per kilometer or per 1000 meter. And I gave a simple example of Singapore and Kyoto. both the cities are on equator. One is close to the sea level, Singapore. Another is at a height of about 8,000 feet above the sea level, slightly less than 3,000 meter. So here the temperature may be around 27 to 30 or 25 to 27 degrees Celsius at Singapore throughout as average in each month. But at Kyoto, this temperature is only 14 degrees Celsius. Though it is on equator, it shows there is a effect of the altitude. Higher you are staying in a city, less will be the temperature. That's why Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parvat, Nanda Devi are covered with ice throughout the year. You can add if there is a requirement of more words. Don't memorize the book. Give your own example. The question is very easy.